So the big picture for this lesson is linear function transformations. Here's a linear function, f of x equals x minus 4, and I'm just going to briefly discuss some different transformations that can be performed on this thing. So let me go ahead and make a graph of it. Okay, so what if I was going to do f of x plus 2? That is a translation of up 2. So basically what I'm doing is I'm adding 2 to the output. So it would be f of x plus 2 equals x minus 4 and then plus 2. So that works out to be x minus 2. So you'd be moving 2 up because the y-intercept would be 2 greater. So that would be a translation of up 2. What if I did f of x minus 2? That would be a translation of down 2 for the same reason, because you would be subtracting 2 from the output, and so it would be x minus 4 minus 2, which is x minus 6. So you'd be moving the graph down 2. The y-intercept would be down 2. A vertical reflection would be negative f of x. So that would be equal to the negative of x minus 4, which is negative x plus 4. So you'd have the same x-intercept here, but the y-intercept would be plus 4, and then you would be going down 1 for the slope. So if you compare the red and this blue line here, it's a reflection through the x-axis, or a vertical reflection. And then if you did f of negative x, it'd be equal to negative x minus 4, because you're changing just the sign of the x. You're not changing the whole thing. And in this case, the graph would go this way. So I know this graph's getting kind of busy with all these lines drawn here. But if you compare the red and the black, this is a reflection through the y-axis. Okay? And that's a horizontal reflection. So that's translations and reflections. There are also stretches and shrinks, and those are explained in the lesson. And make sure you pay careful attention to those as well. That's the big picture for this lesson.